Here we have a 2014 BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £16,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We also have the 19-inch glass black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition with the blue M Sport brake calipers just sitting behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two glass black front kidney grills, along with the M Performance kit as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll find that we have the second alloy wheel just down here. You'll find again unmarked. We have the side skirts along the bottom, the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find that we have the black roof rails. We also have the panoramic glass roof as well, which is currently open, the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler as well. There is a look at the third alloy wheel. Coming round to the rear, you find that we have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. We have the rear diffuser and the twin pipe exhaust, a power assisted tailgate which will open with a simple press of a button on the remote. Now inside of here you find that we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have the 12-volt connectivity just on the left hand side there as well. Coming up here, if we press onto this button you find it will close just like so. And walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you'll find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. Both of these outer seats at the back are heated, controlled just down there as well. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, we have the electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front now, you find again the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are also heated as well, and there is a look at them. Again on the doors, the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows with child lock for the rear and electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers as well. A multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on either side. If we take a seat inside, you'll find that we have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there as well. We have the high beam assist just on that stalk there. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find that we'll be free from any warning lights, the only one being for the fuel, so nothing to worry about there. Moving across into the main infotainment screen, just there, you'll find the lights of the sat-nav. We also have a range of media as well, such as the Bluetooth, the auxiliary, with the CD and DVD player as well. We have the radio just here for the FM, DAB and AM radios. If we go back, we have the phone connectivity as well, just there. Putting the car into reverse, you find that we have the parking sensors and also the reversing camera. Put it back into park though. We also have the different drive modes, such as the Eco Pro. We have the Comfort, Sport, and also the Sport Plus, as you can see just there as well. Stick it back into Comfort though. If we go to the main menu, you'll find that we have all of these options just here, as you can see. So if we go to the settings, for example, go over onto the lights, this is where you'll be able to adjust the interior ambient lighting just there with a couple of options to choose from. If we go further down, you'll find that we have the climate control just here with the heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, as you can see, all working just as it should do. Further down you find some storage space, as you can see just there, 12-volt connectivity as well. We also have two good sized cup holders just inside of there, with the different drive mode buttons as well as the parking sensors button. The gear stick just there, we have all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. Leather armrest to open that up for extra storage. And inside of there you find a USB port and also the auxiliary. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.